Welcome to Frog Street's 28th Annual Splash Conference 2020. This year's event promises to be twice as nice, offering early childhood educators an option to attend Splash On-Site Conference at the Gaylord Texan Resort or attend the new Splash Virtual Conference in the convenience of your own location. Join thousands of educators to learn best practices in today's world of educating our youngest children. Choose the best venue that works specifically for you, Splash On-Site or Splash Virtual Conference, and create your schedule to earn up to 20 credit hours. The 2020 Splash theme is Sailing into Success for Early Childhood Education. You will enjoy cruising into a new school year on this imaginary ocean adventure. Frog Street's Splash Conference offers exceptional experiences using the latest in brain research and the best instructional practices to benefit all early childhood educators. 2020 Splash will present a learning voyage experience beyond all expectations. Registration includes amazing pre-conference options and splash sessions. The Professional Learning Institute features STEM activities for little learners with science expert Steve Spangler. This is a 5-hour online credit course with Steve Spangler's instruction, activities, and a Spangler Science Materials Kit. Frog Street Curriculum Training covers all Frog Street curriculum. These 3-hour implementation sessions are led by the professional development team of experts for both on-site and virtual attendees. Splash Conference opening celebration events begin Thursday evening with the bucket filler herself, Carol McLeod. The evening will be full of surprises with Stephen Fight's musical concert and other surprise guests. Friday's keynote session will feature a tropical excursion of early brain research with everyone's national favorite, Dr. Marcia Tate. Saturday's keynote features Letty Valero. The Splash Evening Dinner theme will have you sailing into success. This is an evening with Frog Street like no other conference, with a chef's table dinner, prizes, and music. Both on-site and virtual Splash conferences will offer numerous internationally recognized early childhood speakers. These experts will focus on topics that are relevant to our new world and guidelines that will be addressed for a successful school year. Each presenter at Splash 2020 offers a unique, fresh perspective to keep you up to speed on trends and topics, and to keep you energized in the classroom. Here are some of the hot topics that will be covered this year. Exhibitors will showcase products on both on-site and virtual Splash, and there will be opportunities to win door prizes. Each registered attendee will receive a special Frog Street gift, including Splash Conference bag and t-shirt. Yes, even the virtual Splash attendees. And just what do attendees have to say about Splash Conference? Let's hear from these extremely happy participants from last year.
We have had a blast. It has probably been the best conference I think I've ever been to.
Frog Street just makes the conference just a blast to be at. It's not just about learning, it's just about having fun and being able to enjoy yourself at the same time.
Frog Street's Splash Conference is an event like no other. Register your entire team for this heartfelt time of celebrating, networking, and professional learning. We look forward to seeing you at either Splash Online or Splash Virtual Conference 2020. Sailing into success for early childhood education.